Happy birthday, Tito Mike. I love you. Tito Mike. Love you too. Happy birthday, Tito Daddy. We love you. We miss you. God bless you. Let's catch up soon. Love you. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Choo, choo.
Happy birthday, Tata Mike! We love you! We pray for good health and long life and a happy life. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo as a 45-year-old. We love you. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. I miss you. Have a good day. I wish you a good health. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I wish you always stay healthy and safe. And thank you, Daddy, for always thinking about us and for loving us and giving us your care and your best. We are so proud of you always and we love you. Happy birthday, Tito Mike! I love you!
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang Angelo Aquino na sobrang sweet at sobrang generous. Lalo na sa akin. Thank you, Kel, sa pagiging mabait na pamangkin. And at the same time, generous kapag meron. Maraming salamat. Lagi mo ako naaalala kapag marami kang dato. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. At sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo para sa iyo, sarili, para sa iyong pamilya, lalong-lalo na sa dalawang anak mo. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jello. Stay healthy. Ang best wishes sa lahat ng mga plano sa buhay. Happy birthday!
Brother Jello, happy birthday. More years to come, tsaka sana mas lalo ka pang maging hunk at Papa Balls. Always, brother. Message ka lang pag kailangan mo ako. Dito lang. Happy birthday, bro. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike, my idol. Wish you all the best. Stay amazing. Banding soon. Love you.
Yeah, Mike. Also known as Tama. Happy birthday sa'yo, kuya. God bless. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hey Mike, kamusta? Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi, enjoy your day, and ball soon. Ingat, God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike Aquino. Wish ko sana maging healthy ka pa at more basketball pa. Wait mo pagbabalik ko.
Coach, happy birthday! Sana marami ka pang blessings sa darating. See you next time!
Mike, happy 40th birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day celebrating with your beautiful wife and kids, your family, and also your friends. I hope you enjoy this new milestone in your life. Cheers!
Birthday, paring Michael. Ingat ka lagi. Wish you good health and more birthdays pa.
Coach Jello, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish ko lang bless ka pa ni Lord. At bigyan ka pa ng kalakasan, blessings, and sa family mo is i-bless kayo. Lang, and pasensya na, I'm busy right now. Try ko makapunta. Love you, Coach Jello. Mabuhay ka.
Hi, to my brother, Michael Angelo Almasan Aquino. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sana lagi kang good health and more powers and more blessing. Pag-pray mo kami mga kabatchmate mo at sana bawas high blood na. Matanda na tayo pare. Love you. Ngayon ka lang nakakita ng gatong greeting sa umaanda. Funny. Love you pare. Happy birthday. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Coach Mike. Enjoy your day. Siyempre, wish namin sa'yo na maging healthy ka. Enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you. Love you.
Hi anak, happy birthday. How old are you na ba? Parang ano pa lang 12 years old pa lang ata enjoy your birthday. Kailan ulit tayo magkikita, hindi ko pa alam. I hope naman na alam ko naman na you're a good father. Alam ko naman na you love your family. Basang wish ko lang sa'yo good health. Kung pwede, pa-check up, ha? At para alam mo kung ano yung mga marami na dyan sa katawan mo, yung mga toxic, ha? At yun na lang ang pa-Christmas mo sa akin. Eto si baby ko, baby Paquito. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Tito Mike.
Tito Mike.
Sige. Love you, anak. Love you. I hope to see you soon.
Hi Kuya Mix, happy birthday. I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, at syempre more happy trips with your family. And thank you for being the best kuya and a very caring kuya to all of us. Sana lagi kang maging happy kuya, and sana mas marami pa tayong mga lugar na mapuntahan at mas marami pang adobo kang lutuin para sa akin. Happy birthday kuya, love you, enjoy, see you later.